Hey, it's Carolyn Gribb with Accounting How To. See if this sounds familiar. You're in accounting class and you totally understand what the professor is doing. You're watching an accounting video and you totally get it. All makes sense. And you're going, I got this. And then you go to do your homework and suddenly you're going, I don't got this. And you feel completely lost, like you don't even know where to start. This is really common. I hear this from students all the time. So what happens between the lecture or the video and the time that you go to do your homework? Where's the disconnect? Why does accounting leave students needing an emotional support dinosaur? Oh, hey, Terrence, looking sharp, buddy. What if I told you there's a simple, proven way to not just survive your accounting class, but to actually master it? Now, I've been teaching this stuff for a really long time, like so long. I know things, and I know things that can help you. So in this video, what I'm going to do is give you my complete no-nonsense guide to crushing your accounting class. We're going to change your mindset. We're going to give you the ultimate study strategy and show you exactly how to approach every homework problem like a pro. Step number one, the biggest mistake students make is treating accounting like it's a history class or a management class. Maybe you're trying to memorize every single detail, every rule, every definition. But accounting isn't memorization. It's a system of logic. It's a language. Once you understand the core rules of this game, you can solve any puzzle that we throw at you. So here's my number one tip for you. It's the why method. For every single transaction, every journal entry, every single financial statement, stop and ask yourself, why? Why is this account getting a debit? Why is this a liability and not an equity? What is the story this financial statement is telling you about the business? By constantly challenging yourself to explain the why behind the numbers, you'll start to build a deep foundational understanding that memorization can never give you. So although we teach memory helpers like Dealer to help you know what to debit and credit, it's not really what you need. The secret to crushing accounting classes is understanding the why behind what we're doing. That's how you see the big picture. Every single step in accounting, from a journal entry to a trial balance, is part of a story. And that story ends on the financial statements. When you learn to see that full cycle, it all starts to click. Now let's talk about how to actually study. Here's your study strategy. Passive learning does not work, especially with a class like accounting. Reading your textbook for hours or watching videos for hours will help you a little, but accounting is action-oriented. Business is action-oriented. You need to roll up your sleeves and get your hands dirty. Now, how do you do that, you ask? This is critical. This is the step a lot of students don't do. They skip the prep and go right into trying to do the homework. Don't skip this part. Seriously. You were not born knowing accounting. It's a skill. It takes work. So I want you to think about your study time like it's an accounting workout. So the first step of a workout is you do a warm-up. You don't just jump in and start thrashing around. Before you do the deep dive into the chapter, skim it. Get a feel for the key terms and the concepts. Every chapter is introducing a new concept. So you want to get the big picture first. What is the main concept of this chapter? Are we learning about foundations like debits and credits, or doing transactions for a retail business, or are we learning about depreciation? Once you've got that under your belt, the next part is to go to the core workout. This is the most important part. Work every single example problem in your chapter. Then close the book and try to solve it on your own. Then compare your work to the solution. Don't just read the solution, do the work. This is what happens in accounting class. Your professor works through the problem step by step and it all makes sense, but you haven't done it yet. It's like watching an exercise video. Your professor is the one sweating while we do the exercises, Until you get up off the couch and start jumping around, you don't get the benefit. For my student athletes, you can get better by watching game footage, but you have to apply what you've learned. It's the same thing with accounting. Then we go to step 3, the cool down. Go back to your mistakes. Figure out exactly where you went wrong and ask why. Ask for why questions. Why is this wrong? Why is this a debit and not a credit? Why is this a liability? And then repeat this process. The only way you're going to get better at accounting is to do accounting. Now, notice we haven't even started the homework session yet. We're doing the prep work first. We're practicing. We're getting our drills in. We're getting ready for the big game. Now, let's apply this to what's probably giving you the most stress, your homework. Now, here's my step-by-step blueprint for tackling any accounting program. First, you're going to read through the entire problem all the way to the end. Don't start writing anything down or punching in numbers until you know what the final goal is. Are you doing journal entries? Are you creating financial statements? What is the product that you're creating? What is the outcome you are seeking? The second step is to break it all down. Complex problems are just a series of small, simple transactions. Tackle them one at a time. Don't let all the details overwhelm you. Your job is to do one transaction, one piece of the puzzle at a time. The third step is to show your work. You want to write down your calculations. If your trial balance is off by a few dollars, it's a million times easier to find a simple math error when you can see your steps. Now, pencil and paper work great here. It's old school, it's pilgrim style, but it helps drive home the lesson in your brain. You're able to see your reasoning and see where you got off track. Finally, use the accounting equation as a check. Look, I even have it on my shirt. Do your assets equal your liabilities plus your equity? If not, you know you have to go back and find your mistake. So this is your built-in safety net. Now, I've got a more in-depth video about the 4 steps to solve any accounting problem, and I'll link it in the description. Now, here's your secret weapon. Even with these strategies, sometimes you're going to get stuck, and that's okay. That doesn't mean it's time to throw in the towel and change your major. You're learning a new skill, and it takes time and effort. That's why I created this channel and accountinghowto.com. Now, while your textbook gives you a paragraph of theory that you may not even understand, especially if we're talking about intermediate accounting, my videos and website give you a step-by-step walkthrough. Instead of guessing on a homework problem, my site and my videos provide the conceptual clarity that explains the why behind it in a way that breaks it all down so that we can all understand it. This isn't about giving you the answers. It's about giving you the real fundamental tools to become a confident problem solver. I built this channel and my site for one reason, to help you understand accounting so you can succeed not just in class, but for your entire career. So passing accounting isn't about being a genius or being naturally good at math. I'm not. And it's not about being the teacher's pet. It's about having the right mindset, the right strategy, and the right resources. And an emotional support dinosaur. Very important. You have what it takes to do this. Terrence and I believe in you wholeheartedly. What you're doing is you're developing and honing analytical skills and problem-solving skills, and that has tremendous value. So if you're ready to start crushing your accounting class, here's what I want you to do. Subscribe to this channel, check out the playlist, and head over to accountinghowto.com. So let's get to work. Let's do this.